Teknia is a multinational group specialized in the manufacture of mobility with 23 manufacturing plants and 3,500 employees. One of the group's distinguishing features is its multi-technology offering, producing metal and plastic components using aluminum injection, plastic injection, machining, stamping, and tube forming technologies. Today, Teknia, as the whole automotive industry, is facing challenges such as a need for flexibility of operation or how to become a data-driven company to make better decisions. We are also looking to improve the measurement of our carbon footprint in order to reduce it as a part of the company commitment to sustainability. In Teknia, we have a special interest in IoT for the acquisition of manufacturing data, in tools that facilitate the reduction of our emissions, in advanced robotics and automatic intralogistic solutions, among other technologies. We are convinced that the startup ecosystem will help us to speed up our initiatives in these fields. Come on and join us!